Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5. We'll present about passive and active voice and also comparative and superlative degree. And here we will introduce ourselves. My name is Hasanuddin.
I'm Fakih Abdul Majid.
My name is Alfa Traihan Sadama.
Okay, and here we have opportunity to present about the passive and active and also comparative and superlative degree. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Hasanuddin will present about passive voice in the tenses. More correctly, I will present about the passive voice in the present continuous in the simple future. Here, we know about the passive voice in the present continuous. There is the formula active and passive. In usual, like in active, have the subject to be some are topping and object, and change into the passive, have the different formula like object to be some are being verb three, then they plus agent. And I will give you some example about the active sentence. She is cooking noodles, and then change into passive sentence become the noodles are being cooked by her or by him. And then they're building a new school become the new school is being built by them or by her. For the next passive voice in the tenses, there is the simple future. Like in usual, there's the active and there is the passive. The active have the formula subject, will, verb one, and then object. And if the passive have the different formula like object, will be plus verb three by plus agent. I will give you example about the passive voice in the simple future. In the active sentence, we can say he will repair the car. And then change to passive sentence become the car will be repaired by him or by her. And then there is some example. They will announce the winner tomorrow for active. And then we can change into passive sentence become the winner will be announced tomorrow. So maybe that's it from me. If you found any mistake from our explanation on stories. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I'm going to explain about active and passive voice in simple present and simple past tense. But before we go to the tenses, we have to know about active and passive voice. What is active voice? Active voice is a sentence in which the subject and action on the object. For example, the teacher explained the lesson. Yeah. Okay, and then passive voice. What is passive voice? Passive voice is a sentence in which the subject is subjected to action by someone or something. For example, the lesson is explained by teacher. Yeah, the lesson is explained by teacher. Okay, we will go to the tenses. The first tenses is simple present tense. The simple present tense formula in active voice is subject plus verb one plus object. For example, Shelby eat John. Shelby eat John. In other example, like I eat a banana. I eat banana. Yeah. Okay, next passive voice. The simple present formula in passive voice is object plus to be plus past participle or verb 3 plus subject. For example, John is hit by Shelby. John is hit by shall be. Another example, a banana is eaten by me. A banana is eaten by me. Okay. Okay. The next tense is simple past. Okay. In simple past formula in active voice is subject plus verb to plus object. For example, shall be if done. Shall be if done. In other example, I ate a banana. I ate a banana. Okay. Okay. The next is passive voice. The simple past formula in passive voice is object plus to be or was or were plus verb 3 or past participle plus subject. For example, John was hit by Selby. John was hit by Selby. Another example, a banana was eaten by me. A banana was eaten by me. Okay? Okay, maybe you can understand what I say. Maybe that's all from me. Hopefully this goal for you all. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, the next material is comparative and superlative degree. Degree of comparison is used to compare two or more people, things, or situation. There are three levels of comparisons. 1. Positive degree is basic form or no comparison. The example is she is tall. And number 2 is comparative degree. Compare two things. The example is she is taller than her sister. And the last is superlative degree. Shows the highest degree among three or more. The example is she is the tallest in the class. Rules for forming comparative and superlative. The first one is one syllable adjective. In comparative, add er. The example, fast become faster. And in superlative, add est. The example is fast become the fastest. The number 2 is two-syllable adjective ending in y. Change the y to I and add er or est. The example like happy become happier or the happiest. Number 3 is adjective with two or more syllables. Use more or the most. The example, beautiful become more beautiful or the most beautiful. The last is irregular adjective. Irregular adjective use word change, not addition of er, est, more or most. The example is good and bad. Good become better or the best, and bad become worse or the worst. Now I will give you the important notes. Than is used in comparative sentence. The example is this laptop is cheaper than that one. And the is always used before superlative adjectives. The example is, he is the most talented player on the team. Understanding the correct use of comparative and superlative adjectives will help you describe and compare things more clearly and accurately in English. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Okay, thank you.
Okay, maybe that's all from us. We are so sorry if there are something wrong in our explanation. Hopefully useful for you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.